So let's talk about a couple of things. You want to mail a minimum of 100 envelopes out on a monthly basis. What could you expect to receive from that? About a 30% response rate. Now, the number one thing is when you're actually sending mail out, because we all get mail at our house. And some of us open mail immediately. Some of us, like myself, we probably wait a week, week and a half. We just open up mail as we get it. So we have to assume when we mail people that they will not open the envelopes. They will not open them. So we're going to share with you today a very strong technique that gets people to actually open up the envelope. So let's just see what I'm sharing with you here is what's going to be inside the envelope. This is what's going to be inside the envelope. You want to have your Zillow or expired printout, depending on who you're going after. And I suggest that you test both markets. You should do a Zillow campaign and expired campaign. And we want to make sure that you follow what we're doing. Black and white, if you see stuff in black and white, means black and white works. Okay? Don't do it in color if I'm showing it to you in black and white, because I already did it in color. And I spent 6 figures trying to figure this out for decades, and we now have it down to a science. The second thing is you're going to have your database printed out. If you have one, I sure hope you do, of buyers with a handwritten message in black and white. And then if you have any Google, Zillow, Yelp reviews, or anything like that, we want those printed out as well. A QR code of a seller or a buyer testimonial, if you have it, and hopefully you have at least one testimonial that you could send out from a buyer. If not, I need you to go get one. And then if you don't know how to create a QR code, you can just go to this website, qrcode-monkey.com. It's totally free, and it takes about 15 seconds. And that's going to be in color. And then your bio is going to be in color, because guess what? You're in color. And then we want to make sure you have 2 business cards. And then the last step, which is the most critical piece to this whole thing, is how do we get people to open up mail when we all get so much junk mail on a daily basis? You're going to do a letter size 10 envelope and put a certified label on. It's going to cost you about $4.60 at the time of recording this training. And you do not want to have a return receipt, because you guys know the mailman's coming to your door with a return receipt. First of all, most of us are not even home when the mailman comes. And the second piece is we're signing it. We're nervous to sign. So why not just let it go in your mailbox without any signature at all? Awesome.